Hola, it's Jess, a Zamboangueña now based in the UK. Just finished my night shift, guys. Buti na lang may charging port to work. So iniwan ko siya overnight and now it's ready to go. No tulog life muna. Diretso agad sa mommy duties. Winter dito sa UK pero luckily today double digits. 10 degrees. Medyo okay na to for the kids to play outside. Si Georgie, my second born, may free lunch naman sa school pero she prefers packed lunch kasi she wants to eat fast then play outside. Priorities, di ba? So today, simple lang. Ham and cheese sandwich, mozzarella cheese sticks, crisp, tapos she requested chocolate milk. So sa UK, may free lunch ang mga kids hanggang year 2. May konting problem ako, ayoko mag-spill ang chocolate milk. Medyo kinakabahan ako kung mabubuksan niya yung lid. So ayun, quick tutorial muna bago pumasok sa bag. Yeah. Good vibes today kasi Papa is here. Siyang in charge sa pagpapaligo, bihis, and school run. Ako naman, as always, sa lunch department. I really love it when me and my husband are both at home. Teamwork talaga. Walang yaya, just us. That's the reality of being an OFW parent. Being an OFW parent means kahit pagod ka na, tuloy pa rin kasi may umaasa sa'yo. I also made breakfast. Toast with avocado, egg, and cream cheese. Pero guys, pagbukas ko ng avocado, bruise na kasi last week ko pa to binili. Moment of truth. Kakainin ko ba? Syempre, yes. Sayang eh. Kahit galing night shift, tuloy pa rin ang responsibilities. Pagod pero grateful. Laban lang mga parents abroad. Anyway, taste test muna. Sabroso y delicioso.
Bye, girlies. I love you.
Okay guys, hasta mañana. Bye!